Hey y'all, Coach InTheFight here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about an asteroid that they call the god of chaos or the god of destruction. This is an asteroid named 99942, which will pass by Earth on April the 13th in the year 2029. Now, there are a lot of people who are talking about this asteroid because there is the chance that it could hit Earth in the year 2029. A low chance, 3% is what they calculated. They're still fine-tuning it, of course. But the interesting thing about it is, well, one of the interesting things about it is that it could go through what they call a gravitational keyhole. Now, what this would mean is that it would change the trajectory of the asteroid, and then the asteroid would come back and hit us on the next round or something like that. So you have it passing by Earth on April 2029, and then it's coming back around in 2036 or 2037. I think that's two separate chances that it has to hit. But what I wanted to add to the conversation is the particular days in which they are to pass by, in which it is to pass by this particular asteroid. Okay, now we see the first or the next time is April the 13th in the year 2029. I'll come over here to timeanddate.com and look at the year 2029. We see that's the date of the 0% moon. So in other words, this god of chaos will pass Earth on the 364th day, or the last day of the sacred year, ending there in April 2029. And that's why I was looking over here at this year 4-day calendar. Now, I've shown you guys this, and you had some questions about how it works. Now, each one of these years corresponds to a day on the prophetic calendar as is overlays with the feast days. In other words, we already know that the feast days are a dress rehearsal and they fall on particular days. Well, if we use the Bible code, where it talks about first days of first months and different days and different things happening, and overlay them onto a year for using the year for a day principle, meaning each year counts as a day, or each day counts as a year, with the understanding that we just went through a seasonal change back there in the year 2015, 2016 with the signs in the sky. We see here that would represent the first day of the 7th month on this prophetic day for a year timeline. So when you look at 2029, that's the eve before we go into the week of Tabernacles, which would last from 2029 all the way through to 2036, with the great 8th day being on 2037. Well, when we look back at this asteroid, those are the exact days that this is supposed to come by. We have 2029, when some believe it could hit the gravitational keyhole, changing its trajectory, so that when it comes back in 2036 on Easter Sunday, no doubt, that it could potentially hit and impact the Earth. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. You guys tell me what you think about it down in the comment section, and I'll see you down there. Make sure you subscribed in case we find out more information, and shalom.